Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by ensuring the phone has at least 20% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection so nothing times out. Open Settings and go straight to Security or Passwords and Accounts. Vivo UI names vary. Once there, find Google or Autofill and Smart Lock in the list. That's where Smart Lock options live. You do this to access device and credential settings rather than app-level locks, so you can remove saved unlocking rules and credential sync safely. You now authenticate with your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint to change Smart Lock options. This prevents accidental changes. Once unlocked, toggle off on body detection, trusted places, and trusted devices to stop automatic unlocking based on motion, location, or paired hardware. Then navigate to Google right arrow, autofill right arrow passwords, and disable save passwords and auto sign in so saved credentials stop filling forms. Make sure to confirm each toggle. This removes both unlocking and credential auto fill behaviors on your Vivo device. Finally, if you want Smart Lock fully gone, remove the Google account. Settings right arrow accounts right arrow Google right arrow remove account. You do this to stop account level sync. Next, clear credentials under security, right arrow clear credentials or trusted credentials to erase saved certificates that might keep features active. Once done, reboot the phone and test the lock screen and autofill by locking and unlocking. If anything persists, check for device admin apps and revoke permissions. If problems occur, reboot into safe mode and repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.